Lemon chicken with roasted potatoes. This is what we will be preparing today. Delicious. Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my kitchen on this gorgeous spring day. My sweetheart and I are planning a cozy dinner at home, movie night, and I've decided I'm going to prepare lemon chicken with roasted potatoes. Delicious. Now let's get started. I will be using 2 chicken breasts sliced in half and tenderized. Set your stove medium to high. Add a dab of clarified butter, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. To the chicken in all-purpose flour. Now just give it a little shake to remove all the excess, and in the frying pan. Fry the chicken 3 minutes on each side. Once you see it golden brown, you know you're ready to turn. And let's turn these little babies around. Cook for an additional 3 minutes. Whoop. A cup of white wine to deglaze the pan, and keep cooking it until the alcohol evaporates. Season with kosher salt and pepper. The juice of 2 lemons. The peel of 1 lemon. I'm going to remove this before serving. The zest of 1 large lemon. Oh, it smells so good, I'm going to say it. If you could only smell my kitchen. 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. This is going to make the sauce so nice and creamy. A little bit of fresh parsley. How beautiful. Lower your heat and cover to cook for 5 minutes. The sauce has thickened beautifully. It's ready. Time to remove the little lemon pieces. So pleased the way the sauce turned out. I'm just going to taste it for seasoning. Perfect. Sweetheart just arrived and I'm ready to plate. Just a little more gravy for each of them. Look how beautiful this looks. Sprinkle of parsley. And the roasted potatoes, of course. What a wonderful date night dinner.
Sei la più bella del mondo, la più bella per me, ed era tutta la vita che non aspettavo che te, sei la più bella del mondo, religione per me, mi piaci da impazzire.
Burst of sunshine. Delicioso. I want to thank you so much for joining me today, and it's Caterina from My Home to Yours. Don't forget to hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes. And I love the hypes. Ciao.
Non c'è odio sul tuo viso, ma un sorriso perché sei la più bella del mondo.